This vegan no-bake cheesecake is so delicious, and here's how to make it. First, let's make a crust. Into our blender, we are adding 1 cup pitted dates, 1 cup almond flour, and half a cup of shredded coconut flakes, and 1/4 of a teaspoon Himalayan salt. Blend your ingredients until the mixture holds together. Transfer it into your cake pan and press firmly, making sure that the edges are well packed and that the base is relatively even throughout. Next step, let's create the filling. For this, we will need 3 cups of cashews soaked overnight or at least 5 hours. Drain the water from the cashews and place them into the blender. Squeeze half a lime, add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 1 cup of frozen strawberries. Pour the filling onto the crust and smooth with a spatula. Place in the freezer until it's solid. You can cover it with foil to protect from freezer burn. Serve it on its own, or you can add fresh fruits. I chose peaches. We are going to decorate it with mint leaves. Store leftovers in the refrigerator if you plan it to eat within a few days. Otherwise, place it in the freezer. Enjoy!